You're welcome to Web3 Bro once again. So, if you are new to this channel focuses more on making money online, passive income, online earning, how to make money online. So, um, right, what we have right here is called social earning. That's been around for a while, and I just made a research on it. Withdrawal is possible, and everything is done. Everything is good. So, the link will be in the description below. So, just click on it, register, enter your first name, your last name, your username, and then you will now enter your active email because you receive a link to verify your account. And then you will choose as here, have to be very careful here. So you will click here and select earner, okay, if you want to earn on the platform. But if you want to build your social media platform, social media handles like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, many other aspects of your platform, then you can click here to register as an advertiser. Okay, so but I will recommend that if you want to make money, just go straight up to the first one, select as an earner, and then the link I will drop, you have a referral, so you will need this. All right, so the password, enter your password and then confirm and then register. When you register, you can now head over to your email and verify your account. When you log in, and that will be it. So I will log into my account right now and continue from where we stop. So I've logged into my account. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. It's very, very simple. So first of all, you will have to activate your account before you can make use of it. Okay, that is why mine is showing click to activate. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to click here, this button here, right here, and then you click on payments. Look at what it said. Click here to activate your account, 1000 naira, pay with Naira Bank. Okay, this is strictly for those in Nigeria. So you can watch the proofs here. Okay, this is a free site you can make money with, just 1000 naira. So you can add your bank account here if you want, when you want to make withdrawal. Okay, so what we're going to do is to make a deposit of 1000 naira here so that we can activate this account. Okay, so that we'll be able to perform tasks and do other things to make money here, right here. I want to show you this, how to go about this. So where you see this red signal telling you click here to activate your account, 1000 naira only, you click on that button, it will now bring you to this interface. Then you can decide to pay with card, pay with bank transfer, or with bank, whatever is convenient for, whichever is convenient for you, you can go with. So I will go with bank transfer. Okay, so the account detail is from GTB. The account name is Quad Checkout. Okay, so you have 20 hours to pay this money, right? And then you now click here to copy the account number. Remember, you're sending 1000 naira to this account. So I'm going to do that just immediately. I've transferred the money successfully, so I'm going to I'm going to head over to the place, and then I will now confirm. Okay, have you seen that? Payment successful. So I was supposed to come in and click on, I have made the payment, but already when I came in here, it was already successful. Okay, and account activated successfully. If your account is not yet activated, kindly contact the admin. So that's what it is. And then it's gonna be real quick, real very, very fast. And then after that, you can now look at my account. I receive an email that my receipt has been received. Okay, I've activated my account. So what is going to happen next is I'm going to head over to this place again, click on dashboard. Let's look at our account. Now you always You always read things like this so that you will not fall victim. Okay, no, you don't risk money. Okay, so look at this. Do not submit Instagram task if your Instagram account is restricted. Okay, so that you will not have issues with deduction of 15 naira from your account or your account being banned. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see now, this was showing activate account. Now it's now showing withdraw. That means I can now refer, I can now perform task, I can now carry out. Now watch this. Available task. How do you make money from the platform? Is by performing task. These are all social task. Okay. This is WhatsApp group task. If you want to do this, you will earn 6 naira for this task. Just join the group and that's it. You can decide to delete the task if you don't like it, or you can just click on view the task. View the task. All right, so okay, maybe someone else have completed the task. Look at the available task. You have 256 tasks. So if you are able to do this daily, that means you will make around 1,300 naira daily, which is possible. So you will click on view task. And so you're going to be paid 8 naira for this one. So what are you to do? You are going to scroll all the way down, do a view job, and then you watch the video on how to perform this task. And then you now click on submit. Your social media username, you have not verified your Telegram account yet. So you need to do that. So before you can perform any task, you need to come over here and click on social media. Okay, click on social media. Click on social media. You will have to click here to add social media account. Okay, you have to click there to add social media account. You can add Twitter, you can add Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, okay, TikTok. You can add any of them so that you'll be able to perform your task. So if you want to make more money from the platform, you can refer your friends. If you come down here, you see you will gain 500 naira bonus if you refer an earner and they activate the account. You will also get 0.5% of their first deposit if you refer an advertiser. So if an advertiser becomes serious with this platform or is interested and registers with your link, what is going to happen is any amount he deposits in his account to perform task, you're going to earn 0.5% from there. So that is about the platform. It is very, very simple to start. Very easy. Very, very easy. Okay, so if you are a student or maybe it's simple. You can just pay 1,000 naira and get started on this platform. Okay, there are even bigger amounts you can be earning from here: 17 naira, 35 naira, 35 naira. Okay, for those that are doing music stream, downloading of art, of apps and reviews and all of that, you can make money here. That's showing you the price list. If you are advertising and if you are performing such task, that means that you can make this in just for one task, and you'll be fine. So that's it for the video. The link will be in the description below. Click and register, activate your account and start earning today. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We'll see in another video.